HCL Product and Platforms. Solution Pack for Workload Automation. Is it better to over-provision cloud resources, with the risk of wasting them? Or under-provision, with the risk of degrading performance? How about provisioning just the right amount of resources, for only the time period you need them? Exactly what you need, when you need it, and rather than incur extra costs and waste, deprovision when you're done. All automatically. It's not a long way, if you follow these directions. Edward knows all about them, let's follow him. Edward works in the application support team for a large company with branches around the world. He is the expert of the financial applications. The company uses workload automation to orchestrate batch workflows that automate the various business processes. Every day, sales data from each geography are centrally processed. It is the end of month, and the financial closing application is running, processing a huge amount of data. Early in the morning, Edward receives an alert: the system is blocked due to lack of resources. Edward is in panic mode. He works hard all morning to complete the jobs and produce the final report required by top management. Edward knows that the workload, at the end of month, would require additional cloud resources, currently provisioned by Amazon Web Services, but these would result in increased costs, and would be underutilized for the rest of the month. A few days later, Edward receives good news about dynamic resource provisioning with workload automation. A new solution pack is available, on top of workload automation, provided by HCL Products and Platforms, that automate dynamic provisioning and deprovisioning of virtual machines, on as-needed basis. Edward asks Marnie, the scheduler, to modify the financial closing workflow that runs at the end of month. She adds a first Amazon Web Services job, before the financial closing job stream. This job requests that an additional virtual machine is provisioned, before the massive elaboration starts. Then, she adds a second Amazon Web Services job, after the job stream has completed, to deprovision the virtual machine. The Amazon Web Services job can create a virtual machine by selecting an image template, and also start, stop, power off, pause and resume a virtual machine. Amazon Web Services is just one of the cloud automation plugins available in the solution pack. You have also Docker, Microsoft Azure, IBM SoftLayer and VMware. With this solution, Edward no longer worries about the end-of-month peak periods. However, he realizes that the workload can increase also in other time periods. How to manage unpredictable workload? He finds out that another smart feature is available in the solution pack provided by HCL. The Policy Manager. The Policy Manager, enabling elastic scaling, ensures that the service is always responsive. The administrator can define a policy based on the job density. The Policy Manager monitors the job density. When it is above the threshold, the provisioning of a new virtual machine is required. Now Edward can easily manage even the unpredictable workload. Solution Pack for Workload Automation by HCL Products and Platforms. Makes your cloud automation more agile, responsive, and cost-effective.